Welcome to Across the Globe. Today we will learn about basic R syntax. R is a programming language and software environment for statistical computing and graphics. It employs a syntax akin to other languages while featuring distinctive traits. Basic R syntax encompasses functions, variables, loops, and conditional statements. For instance, functions in R are like predefined operations, variables store data values, loops repeat code blocks, and conditional statements execute code based on specified conditions. These basic components are fundamental in creating operational R programs for statistical analysis and data visualization purposes. Variables in R are used to store data values such as numeric values or strings. To create a variable in R, the assignment operator or equals is used. For instance, to assign the value 5 to the variable x, you would write x and 5. Similarly, to assign the string John to the variable name, you would write name John. This allows you to easily manipulate and work with different types of data within your R program. Functions in R are essential blocks of code that can be predefined or created by users to execute tasks. To utilize a function, one must call it by typing its name followed by parentheses where necessary arguments are placed. For example, the squart function in R calculates the square root of a given number. In the provided code snippet, result 6 squart teat 16 assigns the square root of 16 to the variable result, which is then printed using print result. Loops in R are used for iterating over sequences of values. There are different types of loops, with common ones being for loops and while loops. For loops, iterate over a sequence for a specified number of times, while loops iterate as long as a condition is true. Conditional statements, like if-else, are used for decision-making based on certain conditions. For example, a for loop in R can be written as for I in 1-5, print I, which will print numbers 1 to 5. An if-else statement, such as if x5, print x is greater than 5, checks if the condition x being greater than 5 holds true and executes the code block accordingly. Basic R syntax is like a recipe for cooking a dish, where each ingredient and step must be specified in the correct order. Just like in a recipe, if you miss a step or use the wrong ingredient, the dish won't turn out as expected. In R programming, if you make a syntax error or use the wrong command, your program won't execute properly. Following the correct syntax in R is crucial for obtaining the desired output, just like following a recipe precisely is crucial for a delicious dish.
Hey, Code Conquerors, ready to level up? With TechLearn ATG, showcase your skills with official course certificates. Just visit our site and start. Need that extra boost? Get tailored learning, 24/7 support, expert guidance, coding smarter, growing faster, and making learning fun. Visit our site and take your coding dreams to new heights.
The provided R code example demonstrates the usage of basic R syntax. Initially, a vector named numbers is defined which comprises elements 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is accomplished using the C function in R. Subsequently, the sum of the elements within the numbers vector is calculated using the sum function and stored in a variable named sumNumbers. Finally, the resultant sum is displayed using the print function. In this case, the output would be the sum of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, which is 15. This basic example showcases the fundamental building blocks of R programming by illustrating vector creation, calculation, and output display. Such operations are commonly used in data manipulation, statistical analysis, and mathematical computations in real-world applications, such as financial modeling, scientific research, and data visualization. One industrial application of basic R syntax can be found in data analysis in finance. For example, a financial analyst may use R to analyze stock market data, calculate key financial metrics such as returns or risk measures, and generate reports for investment decision-making. Another real-world application of basic R syntax is in the field of bioinformatics. Researchers use R to analyze genetic data, perform statistical tests on gene expression data, and visualize results. This helps in understanding biological processes and identifying potential targets for drug development. Employing basic R syntax efficiently can significantly enhance data processing and analysis in various industries, making it a valuable skill for professionals across different sectors. Keep learning, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next video.